Hey everyone, how's it going? This is another Replo tutorial. We're going to go over now how to build a banner on your landing page. Your banner is one of the most important parts on the page because this is where you can bring a main benefit. You can bring attention to the main benefits such as free shipping or a refund or a savings type of benefit. And it's important to have this area contrast. So we're going to go ahead, build a new page, go on list, page, create blank page here. Let's just say test 2. You can choose with header, footer, show only. We're going to just do hide. So we go here, ignore this chat because that's in the Shopify theme. Now, everything is going to start with a container. So what we got to do is go to components, container, drag it in. Now you got that. Now components, put text in there. Now your default text. So we're going to just say, let's say free shipping. Free shipping. If you hit return, you're going to make a new line. Just don't do that. It'll adjust. Now, what I want with this too, usually it's nice to have some kind of emoji or icon mixed in. So we're going to add an image right there. Now in this, I got to click in the container, make sure the image is in the container, make sure it's there like that. Now this image, let's upload. So I'm going to do this Amazon emoji icon. Now with icons and text, I usually like to have a fixed size. 25 pixels is pretty good. It's in there. Now the header, it's too skinny, way too skinny. And I want a little bit of spacing between the Amazon and the text. So what I'll do is, a good rule of thumb, do 1 rem, spaces it out. And then on your padding is the spacing inside the container. So there's padding and then there's margin. Margin is going to be outside. Padding is going to be with the elements inside, the spacing in that, how they're spaced. So let's do this 1 rem, here 1 rem. That's pretty good. Let's say with this, again, ignore this chat function. That's in the Shopify theme, so most of you will not have this chat. Now, if I want to change the background color, let's go here. As an example, light red. So this is the banner, depending on your theme. Obviously, you're going to go to your theme's colors. And yeah, basically when you're done with this, you want to add the next part of the page, components, add container, boom, you got your next container. Now this is where you can build out of your hero section, text, images, header, subheader, VSL, whatever. That's how you build a nice banner on your Replo page. And it's something that every page is going to need. Replo, you're always going to want to bring attention to some type of a shipping or savings or whatever warranty benefit. And yeah, that's how you do it.